Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, leaked image stirs excitement. A leaked CGI image has sent ripples through the Indian defense sector, sparking speculation about the country's upcoming unmanned combat aerial vehicle. Many believe it's a glimpse into the secretive, futuristic unmanned fighter aircraft program helmed by DRDO's ADE. The FUFA program, shrouded in secrecy, aims to develop a twin-engine, low-observable, stealthy UCAV. This loyal wingman concept envisions a high-speed unmanned aircraft with a low radar cross-sections airframe, equipped with internal weapons base and capable of fully autonomous takeoff and landing. FUFA could revolutionize air combat. Next, Mahindra makes moves for MTA program. Mahindra Aerospace Private Limited is making a strong push for the Indian Air Force medium transport aircraft program. A high-level team recently visited Embraer facility in Brazil, where the C390 transport aircraft, a contender for the IAF tender, is manufactured. Next, equipping Indian Navy ships with advanced torpedo countermeasures. In a move to bolster the Indian Navy's defense capabilities, Bharat Dynamics Limited has announced a collaboration with Israeli defense firm Rafael to offer the Tor Buster SP hard kill decoy system. This strategic partnership leverages Rafael's expertise with BDL's domestic production capabilities. The Tor Buster SP is a game changer in the realm of ship defense. This system, designed for strategic mounting on naval vessels, actively deceives and neutralizes incoming torpedoes by providing critical seconds during an attack. The Torbuster SP grants ship a vital window for maneuvering and evading threats. Next, India's jet-powered target drones. India's air defense systems requires a constant state of readiness to tackle evolving threats. One crucial element in the equation is the use of jet-powered target drones, which simulate real-world missile attack during training exercises. However, India's current arsenal faces limitations, prompting efforts to develop and acquire more advanced solutions. Next, HAPS supremacy. The race to develop high-altitude pseudo-satellite, that is HAPS, is intensifying in India, with two key players vying for dominance: CSIR National Aerospace Laboratories and New Space Research and Technologies Private Limited. CSIR NAL successful test flew its HAPS prototype at the Chalekre testing facility in Karnataka earlier this year. The scaled-down model, with a wingspan of 11 meters and weighing 23 kilograms, achieved an impressive feat by staying aloft for approximately 8 hours at an altitude of 3 kilometers. Next, South Korea's KF-21 fighter soars past Mach 1.8 in milestone test. South Korea's indigenous fighter jet program, the KF-21 Boramai, has achieved another impressive feat. According to reports, the KF-21 successfully surpassed Mach 1.8 during recent flight testing. The achievement marks a significant milestone in the development of the 4.5 generation fighter jet. The high-speed test comes shortly after the completion of live fire missile tests, further demonstrating the program of steady progress. Thank you.